Opinion Edge has just made some huge updates and I've tested them all. They got a brand new design, more ways to earn like games and leaderboards, and most importantly, PayPal cash outs are now live worldwide. In this video I'll show you everything that's new, and I'll also cash out $30 live so you can see if it really pays. In case you don't know, my name is Mikael and I have tested hundreds of different ways to make money online, and one of the platforms I've talked about before is Opinion Edge. And in this updated Opinion Edge review, I'll walk you through all the changes from the new earning options to the survey AI feature, and then I'll show you my $30 payment proof so you know exactly what to expect before deciding if it's worth your time. So let's start by going over who can join, and Opinion Edge is available in many countries. You can see on the website it says 34 plus countries, but from what I've been able to find out, it's available in more or less all countries. Of course, how it is with all get paid to sites and service sites, how much you can earn, how many opportunities will vary from country to country. But I'll go more into the different earning opportunities and all that later. As you can see, if you looked at it before, it has a brand new design, very modern, new, updated, great design in my opinion. And be aware that you can not only use it actually on the website, it also has an app so you can use it on your phone. And as you can see, when you sign up, you will actually get your first $1 as a joining bonus. But let me now log in and then I'll show you exactly how it works and what's new. So I have now logged into Opinion Edge and I really like the new design. I find it very pleasant and it's easy to also find your way around. You can check out over here the menu. You can scroll over and see what the options are. And one of the main ways to earn here is to go to My Offers, and this is where you can find the different surveys. And as you can see, it has these different filters so you can easily find the ones that fits you the best. You can see here exactly also how long it takes, how much you will get paid, and the quick offers also, the ones that are faster here you can see. And in general it just gives a good overview, has a good amount of different surveys available. Exactly how many, again, that depends on your profile and also the country you live in. But one thing that is new that I have actually also not seen on other service sites is the Service Sense AI bot they now have. So it's a system that recommends you surveys that are the best fit for you. So it is totally AI driven, and I think this is quite cool and innovative, something I haven't really seen before. And you can just choose this here and get started. So that's another way to find the best matching surveys instead of going through the surveys as you usually do on most other service sites. So definitely something to check out. And if you have checked it out, or if you are going to, then I would love to hear your experiences about it in the comment below. So please feel free to share that. Opinion Edge also has this campaign section. They used to have these social media offers when I talked about it last time, and this is where you can watch short YouTube videos, and you can see you can, for example, earn 10 points. We'll go over the value of that a little bit later. For watching 20 seconds there are some different here, not a lot of them, but there are some. But in addition to that, they've also here added the games and rewards. Right now it's just being worked on, but by the time you watch this, I am sure that it will be back up again. But that means now you can actually also find these different paid offers, gaming offers here, and earn that way. That's one of the new things that they have added here, and great to see how they keep actually adding new options, and that they've done that over the period of time where I have actually tested it. And in addition to actually games, then there will also be some shorter surveys. There will also even be where you can upload receipts and earn for it in the US. So there'll be many different things that you should keep an eye on here in this campaign section. There is also a leaderboard section, which is also something to keep an eye on. You will automatically participate here just by earning, but it is a way to potentially earn some extra great rewards. You can see here for the daily winner, it will be 100 points you can get there. If you see the monthly winner list, you would get potentially 2,000 points for the top earner there. But you can see a lot of other people will actually also get 500 points. Again, we'll talk about the exact value of the points here in just a bit, but you just keep being active here and then you will automatically participate here. What's worth keeping an eye on is, of course, if you are close to moving on to the next stage, so you can just move up the ladder a little bit, potentially get an even higher reward. So sometimes to just keep an eye on when you need to maybe put a bit of extra effort into moving up the ladder. So let's now talk about how you can get paid and try to get paid live here while I record. So you can see the points you have here, and you can also see the exact value. They make that very clear. 100 points is $1. And 1,000 points is $10, so it's easy to figure out exactly how it works like that. And when you can redeem, that's just important to be aware of, that there's these different membership levels. So when you first join, you will be on level 1. That means that you would need to only earn $10, still a low payout threshold, to be able to actually redeem next level. And you just move up the level just by keep being active in here. But then you can see it's only $5. Now I'm here at the third level here, and then I will be able to withdraw on when I only earned $1, so a very low payout threshold. But as you can see, I actually have $33 here, so let's now try to redeem that. You can see there are the different options. There is, for example, like PayPal now. There's also the reward link, and there's also a lot of gift cards. The exact rewards, again, that can vary depending on your country. But last time we talked about it, it didn't have PayPal yet, but now it does, so it's great to see that they've actually implemented this. So I will choose PayPal, and you can see here it also says that maximum you can build up with my membership level is that I will be able to take out $500 at a time. I'm not even close to that. I would in general recommend that you don't let it build up that much, but you can with this level here. And then you just need to write the amount here. I'll just take out the $33 there. You see that is also what it says. That's what I can take out, the amount of points there I would. And then I just need to enter my password again here. And once that's done, I just need to submit the request here. And that's it. It has now been successfully requested there. And then I just need to wait until the money will go into my PayPal account. I will then also here share a screenshot of the email I get from PayPal so you can see the money actually did go into my account. There I will also write exactly how long it actually took for me to get the money. So let's now talk about the overall earning potential, because I know a lot of people will ask me now, how long does it take to earn, for example, $10, $20, $50, etc. And as I mentioned earlier also, how much you can earn depends a lot on the country you live in. I would say Opinion Edge has decent earning potential, definitely. It pays quite well for the service. It has some new methods where you can earn that not many different get paid to sites and service sites have, and have this new survey AI feature that I find quite interesting. But it's of course not a way to make a living or become rich or anything like that. In some countries it's possible to have good days where you can earn $5, $10, maybe $15 if you include some of the gaming offers. It can be even higher on certain days there, and in other countries it will be hard to earn a few dollars per day. So all of it, again, it depends on the country you live in and of course the time and effort you put into it. But it's a way to earn some extra money on the side, and I think it is a quite good option, and it has become better. I love how they actually have kept improving it since I first joined it and tested it, and it has become one that I actually really like. I find it quite user friendly, and I like that they are testing these new different methods for us to earn and to make it more user friendly. And if you want to join, I'll leave my invitation link below. That will also support my channel, and I would definitely appreciate that. Then you can go sign up, get your joining bonus, and get started right away. I also do have a written review if you want to read more about it also, so I'll also leave a link to that below. And if you have any experiences, any opinion about yourself, I would also love to hear that, so please share that below. And finally, if this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.